Okay, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Prince, and today I'm going to show you how to install Canalsat if you are in West Africa. So to install Canalsat, what you need to do is to first figure out where you need to get your satellite, the direction from where you are going to do the installation, to know exactly where you will get your signal. And Canalsat is on the, if you are living in West Africa, you will get it on the west 22 degrees. So either you have any mobile app compass or you have an analog compass, you pick up your compass and then you figure out where you are going to get on your west. So on my compass right here, from where I'm standing, from my standing point, here is my north. So on this side is my west. So I'll get a Canalsat signal on my west here. So after getting the signal, I will show you the frequency and symbol that I used to get the signal. Alright, stay with me. Start by panning to get your signal. You don't need to pan it too fast. You need to slow it down. Go to each side. Then you slow it down. All you need to do is to know where you need to turn the dish. The exact position you need to turn the dish to get your signal, so that you get your signal very fast. You don't need to waste time trying to figure out whether you get it on the east or on the west. So the first thing you need to do is to know exactly where you need to turn your dish to get your signal. And by knowing that, you are going to get your signal very fast. You don't need to waste time. Make sure that you have enough signal percentage, about 65 upwards will be okay for you to continue your installation. Getting our signal. Let's see, you need to do tie the back too hard. So after getting your signal, the next thing you need to do is to scan for your channels, and then you go ahead to do your activation. But I don't have any Canalsat decoder over here, so I will show you the frequency and the decimal rate. So I have the signal here, but my cable is too short. So here is the frequency and decimal rate. Okay, so this is the frequency and decimal rate you need to key in to get it if you are living in West Africa. Alright, so if you are new here, do well to subscribe to my channel. Alright, thanks for watching. Bless up.